Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to August 5th,
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today's theme is all about innovation challenges to explore creative ideas that can solve problems. Step 1. Introduce the concept of innovation. Start by discussing what innovation means with your family. Explain how it involves coming up with new ideas, breaking free from conventional thinking, and finding better ways to do things. Step 2. Share examples of boundary-pushing ideas. Share real-world examples of innovation that pushed boundaries. For instance, discuss how the smartphone revolutionized communication or how the light bulb changed the way we live. Step 3. Start an innovation challenge. Now it's time to put the creative thinking into action. Set up an innovation challenge for the family. Challenge each person to come up with a solution to a common problem. Step 4. Build your ideas. Once everyone has an idea, it's time to bring them to life. Using materials around the house, paper, scissors, tape, or even Lego, you can try to build a simple prototype or draw a model of your invention. Step 5. Reflect and celebrate innovation. After you've all shared your inventions and ideas, reflect on the process of thinking outside the box. Ask questions like, how did it feel to think creatively? What was difficult about pushing the boundaries? Celebrate everyone's ideas, no matter how big or small. Celebrate creativity. Today's activity is about embracing the power of creative thinking and innovation. Pushing boundaries doesn't always lead to an immediate breakthrough, but it sparks curiosity. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.